Utilizing expert traditional agricultural techniques, our dedicated farm workers carefully harvest the discarded.
Gathered into sustainable bamboo baskets, the perfectly sized raw stem sections are carried completely by hand.
Merging traditional organic farming with advanced zero-emission logistics. Our electric leaving the lush green farms behind, our zero-emission transport glides effortlessly toward the sunlit.
Arriving securely at our ultra-clean modern eco-facility, the raw agricultural stems are entering the heart of our sunlit facility. The raw sliced stems meet the advanced decortication machinery. Passing through specialized precision rollers, the heavy green pulp and natural water are forcefully emerging triumphantly from the extraction machinery. The raw agricultural waste has been completely eradicated.
Freshly extracted
Utilizing 100% recycled hyper-purified water, our high-pressure washing arrays aggressively
rejecting harsh artificial heat. Our ultra-modern facility utilizes
completely dry and incredibly soft. The raw vegan silk passes through advanced, polished steel microcombs. Submerged in a rolling boil of highly concentrated, eco-friendly plant enzymes. The tough, raw
Raised from the intense heat, the ultra-soft bundles are immediately blasted with freezing hyper-purified recycled water, instantly halting the enzymatic action. Completely purified, the relaxing fibers are gently drawn through a continuous
Relying on masterful human touch, our quality experts physically verify the success of the enzymatic.
Achieving total tactile perfection, the full softened and completely purified raw materials are arriving at the high-speed spinning sector, the chaotic clouds of ultra-soft vegan silk.
Emerging for the carding fire drums.
A breathtaking procession of thick rovings is aggressively pulled through high-speed drafting rollers, violently
Specialized high-speed spindles rotating at impossible velocities violently twist the thinned fibers together.
With absolute mathematical perfection, the incredibly strong, newly spun vegan yarn is rapidly wound onto
halting instantly upon reaching maximum capacity. An advanced Sika laser.
Hundreds of perfectly uniform completed bobbins are meticulously organized onto towering staging racks.
Driven by immense artificial precision. Vigilance. Descending from the intense mechanical array, the ultra-soft interlocking loops form a breathtaking, seamless tube.
Completely purified, and the relaxing fabric is gently drawn through a continuous circuit.
Refusing to use aggressive tension, our facility utilizes expansive, high-precision rollers.
Relying on masterful human touch, our quality experts physically verify the success of the cutting. Achieving total tactile perfection, the fully knitted and completely verified raw material.
Arriving at the stunningly beautiful eco-dyeing sector, the pure white veganly
utilizing only 100% organic, non-toxic plant extracts, incredibly fine botanical powders are seamlessly
A breathtaking continuous ribbon of the pure white vegan silk is aggressively
With absolute mathematical perfection, the incredibly heavy, saturated colored fabric is rapidly pulled through massive, polished.
Locked violently in place by massive subsurface vacuum turbines, the ultra-soft fabric becomes totally...
Notes. Moving at impossible speeds, the precision flatbed laser utterly vaporizes the fabric exactly along the mapped coordinates.
Means. Examining the microscopic edge, the flawless thermal laser effectively melts the organic, vegan silk fibers perfectly.
Arriving at the stunningly beautiful eco-assembly sector, the incredibly pure pastel vegan silk panels.
Utilizing only 100% premium natural materials, an incredibly soft, highly breathable organ.
A breathtaking continuous flat lock stitch completely unites the delicate panels, violently weaving a utilizing an advanced high-speed folding guide, an incredibly soft, heavily brushed premium elastic.
With absolute manufacturing perfection, the completely assembled premium garment is aggressively, physically stretched,
Gliding incredibly smoothly beneath an advanced optical laser, the new
Perfectly guided through the massive, high-precision folding machine. Handled with unimaginable care, and the delicate tissue-wrapped masterpiece is perfectly lowered directly into the heart of the...
Applying the final elegant touch, an automated tension arm violently wraps a beautiful strand of pure
Achieving total zero-waste perfection, specialized steel stamping arms violently press a completely
Arriving at the stunningly beautiful eco-staging sector, the incredibly pure packaged garments are immediately stacked.
Utilizing an advanced minimalist approach.
Perfectly guided through the massive, high-resolution, color-calibrated monitors, the gorgeously captured images are meticulously organized and thoughtfully inspected.
From discarded agricultural waste to the absolute pinnacle of luxurious, sustainable fashion.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tool. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure original visual and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visual and real footage.